Have you been wondering why the Mavic 4 Pro has suddenly gone ghost mode? Yeah, you're not the only one. It's been suspiciously quiet, like horror movie quiet. Big names like Jasper Ellens, Igor Bogdanov, even Osita LV, total radio silence. But there's one guy who's still whispering in the shadows, Mauro Tandoy. And trust me, what he's saying, worth listening to. So, remember that rumored April 24th launch date? Yeah, forget about it. According to Mauro, that's not happening anymore. The new target, May 13th. It's not 100% confirmed, but it does line up with the eerie calm we've seen lately. DJI seems to be playing this launch super low-key. Now, let's talk price tags, and brace yourself if you're in the EU. The basic version with 64 gigabytes? Around €2,200. Want the one with 4G? That's €2,840. And the Creator Combo, which comes with 512 gigabytes and 4G, yeah, that's a whopping €3,780. Basically, your drone might cost more than your actual camera setup. Charging-wise, there's good news. The Fly More or Free Fly kits come with 200W fast charging, which means you can fully juice up 2 batteries in just 50 minutes. Not bad if you're the kind of person who forgets to charge until you're literally packing up your gear. But here's where things get dicey, the US market. Thanks to the latest trade war drama, Trump's new tariffs have pushed DJI imports to a crazy 104%. And guess what? China's fired back with 84% tariffs on US goods. So yeah, launching a drone just got way more complicated. Higher prices, possible delays, and DJI may even have to rethink how, or if, they launch in the States. It's not just about drones anymore, it's about trade wars and global politics. Bottom line, the Mavic 4 Pro isn't just another drone drop. It's caught in a global storm of price hikes, silent leaks, and strategic delays. So if you're planning to buy one, maybe keep that credit card on standby and your expectations flexible. If you want to stay updated as this drama unfolds, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. And hey, check out these other videos on screen for more DJI leaks and drone updates. Catch you in the next one. Until then, fly safe and keep your batteries charged.